Hey there, my name is Mckenna Schiller, and today we are checking out the Hawkstone community. Now we're about 30 minutes south of the Tampa Bay area, and the builder in here is Westbay Homes. So behind me, we are going to check out the Westshore II. Let's take a look.
Hey everyone, my name is Brett Schiller. I'm going to be behind the camera today, but still talking to you to show off this incredible home. And both together, Mckenna and I are your Tampa new home guides. So let's go check this one out.
Welcome in. So this is the Westshore II, and this home is spacious. I'm talking 4,800 square feet spacious. What was it, 7 bedrooms, 5 bathrooms.
Yeah, this is a big house. You've got the potential to build up to seven rooms in here. Now, one thing you can get with a semi-custom builder is you get options. So you don't have to do 7 bedrooms like this den. This is a den, could be a bedroom. So there are different ways that you could finish off your home based on your own desires.
Yeah, so Westbay, like Brett said, is a semi-custom builder. So you can choose all of the options in your home. Flooring, paint colors, cabinetry, faucets, light fixtures, all of that can be customized to fit just your personal style. So this home has this really grand entrance here. You walk in, I mean, you can have this formal dining room staged really beautifully, so it just always looks lovely. And as you come in, you have all of this natural light coming in from these sliding glass doors. And just a really lovely view. I love this space. We've got a wonderful gourmet kitchen in here, some nice toned cabinets. I really like this wood look they have going on with this marble backsplash going all the way up to the ceiling here. You have this incredibly large island here, which is great. I feel like I use my island all the time for preparing food and dishes and all that kind of stuff, so I feel like the more space the better.
Yeah, options. If you've never built a semi-custom home, as you look around, there's so many things that you can notice in here. For example, like this is what we call a gourmet kitchen, where you've got the oven and microwave over here. There's no range, it's actually cabinetry, and then you've got the cooktop and then the hood fan over above. You've got the glass inside your cabinets, lighting in cabinets. Like, these are all things that you would go to a design center and choose, and they're always gonna beef up the model to have everything so that they can show you, hey, if you put this in your house, here's what it's gonna look like. So keep in mind, you've got a base price on this house, but you're gonna build on top of that to build a home like this. But
definitely. And one of the features I love, I know I put this in our home, are these drawers right here. These are just so convenient for your pots and pans. You just have easy access, way more than cabinets. So things like that are options that you can put into your Westbay home.
So let's take you over here before we dive into the meat of the
So these are really on
house.
trend right now. It's kind of like a butler's pantry back here. So if you're, hosting big parties, you can kind of keep the mess back here and out of your kitchen. Or if you're an alcohol drinker, this is kind of a great little wine bar area as well. And then a really beautiful pantry. A lot of times you see wire shelving in pantries in Florida, but this home kind of has a little upscale to the wood shelving, so it looks really nice.
We still sales center in the garage.
I know this home actually has just been sold, so this is your 3-car garage in here. And I love that it has windows too on the garage doors. That's a great feature. Just
another option you can put in.
Yeah, gives you some light.
Now towards the back of the home, we've got the dining room looking out to the pool. You've got the water in the back. The views are phenomenal. They look really pretty. And then you have what's staged as kind of more of a sitting room, but this would be one of those options again that you could use it as a bedroom, or you could use it as a bonus room.
Yeah, there is a closet here. I've seen a lot of families use a larger room this size for, like an extra bonus room. You could put a big TV in here and a sectional, and it's kind of just another playroom space for the kids. And then you have a full bathroom down here, which is really nice. And I love the floor to tile ceilings. That just gives that more elevated look.
I like that tile.
A lovely space, yeah, I do too. Oh wow, look at this. Okay, so Here's your walk-in closet for this bedroom downstairs. Now this isn't even the master bedroom.
No, this would be like a guest.
Yeah, this would be a good guest
suite.
bedroom.
A good in-law suite if you're going to have grandparents or people that are staying for a longer period of time.
Yeah.
Give them a nice big closet so they can, I guess it depends on how comfortable you want to make them.
There you go. And one thing I like about our tours, so this is just an authentic tour. So Brett and I are just walking through this home, first time, kind of just giving you our professional opinions and things we like, and just giving you a
We actually have
tour.
clients who found us on YouTube through other videos and were interested in this community, and so we wanted to get content while we were showing them this community so that you could see it too.
Yeah. So I just want to take you outside really quick because this pool area and view is stunning. So one thing we have in Florida a lot are these pool cages. So these cages are mostly to prevent bugs, mosquitoes, lizards, all those critters from getting in your pools, as well as leaves. And they also give an SPF layer too. I think it's about SPF 30. So it's nice if you have young kids, you don't have to sunscreen them up every day. They get pretty protected in a cage. And this view is amazing. There's so many waterfront homes available in Florida. We have so many retention ponds and lakes everywhere. So if that's kind of a feature you're really liking, let us know and we can set you up with some good property.
Point you in the right direction. So you've got really good space in here. I mean, you've got your separated dining table. You can have privacy while you're eating. You can still be involved with all the conversations going on in the living room. Or living room, separate family room. So it lives well.
Yeah, let's take you up the stairs. So this space is really grand too. It's like party central. I feel like this would be an awesome house to throw some really great get-togethers with family or friends.
Yeah, great entertaining.
Yeah. Check out this bonus room space up here with these sliding glass doors. I don't feel like you see sliding glass doors upstairs very often.
No, very rarely do I see sliding glass upstairs.
But for this home and the view you get, they're just perfect fit. I feel like that was a really smart move for the builder. So really nice space up here.
Yeah, you've got a ton of, I don't see 4,800 square feet that often.
Me neither, especially not in master plan communities, right? With just a semi-custom builder.
You can go build custom for sure, but in a master plan community, this is definitely a larger home.
Yeah, but what a fun space. I really love this.
Let's take you first over here. This is the master bedroom. And check out the size of this closet.
Look at this closet. Now you could do a lot of fun stuff with this too. I mean, right now it's just the wire shelving, but you could come in and really customize this to be a wow closet. There is so much space in here.
You do have the bathroom right off, but let's take you through the bedroom first.
This is just so beautiful. It feels so elegant and sophisticated. You also have your own double doors leading out here to your patio down to the pool. So just really pretty views. No wonder this home has sold
I guess
already.
if you want to jump down to the pool.
Maybe they can make like a slide going down. I know our kids would love something like that from the second floor. And then this is such a luxurious bathroom space. You have a lovely size soaking tub, 2 vanities. This is really nice too for the ladies, a makeup counter as well, so you can sit and apply makeup.
And this is wide too. I mean, you're not tight in here at all. You've got a lot of space in this bathroom.
Yeah, this is lovely, very livable.
And of course takes us right into the master closet we looked at, which is a lot of space.
You know, I really love too, sometimes the master closet gets buried deep behind the master bedroom. This just makes it so convenient. You can walk right in. So here is your next bedroom. Lots of windows up here. You know, for an upstairs, you get so much natural light. Then you also have another walk-in closet over here.
So there are 4 bedrooms, I think 4 bedrooms. So you got the double vanity, kind of Jack and Jill bathroom. They liked that. It's kind of got some purple undertones.
Yeah, I like the hexagon tile, that's fun. And your adjoining bedroom here. And it has another walk-in closet as well over there. It's got your fun mermaid theme, which is very fitting for Florida. And then let's take you over to these rooms over here. So we also have your upstairs laundry room space, and take a look, this is beautiful. I love this tile work they have going. You've got your sink, you've got so much cabinet space. Look at that, everywhere, cabinet space.
Yeah,
so this is so
storage.
nice. Sometimes it's hard to find a lot of storage in Florida because we don't have basements. So anywhere you can get it, it's really nice to have that storage. And then here's our final bedroom up here. And again, a great size walk-in closet. So I'm really impressed with the closets in this home.
Yeah, they're all huge. And then I think we didn't show you this last bathroom up here.
Yeah, final bathroom right here. So another full bathroom upstairs. And this is quite a large size too, a really wide bathroom.
And they did the same color tile everywhere, just different shapes.
Yeah, it's fun. It's kind of still cohesive, right? But different. I like it. Stick to the same color palette. So this was the Westshore II. Overall, if you're looking for a larger home that can sleep a lot of people, a good hosting house, just one with a lot of space, lots of storage, this is a really good option.
Yeah, if you're looking for that move-up home. As always, if you're looking in the Tampa Bay area, hey, our number is on the screen. Feel free to contact us. We can help with your real estate home search in the Tampa Bay area. And that's kind of what we specialize in. We work a lot in these areas so that we can answer all your questions when you need them. So reach out to us if you need, and talk to you soon.